Concussions are one of the most common injuries in sports, and for some athletes, they say those symptoms don't just disappear after a couple of days of rest. Fox 43's Amy Lutz introduces us to a York County doctor who says he's using cutting-edge technology to create a personalized treatment plan. And we're sharing how one high school football player says it helped him get his life back.
It looks more like something you'd find at NASA than at a doctor's office. However, this rotating chair is helping experts at the Harcourt Brain Center in York better understand concussions and create treatment plans tailored to each patient.
It allows us to say, hey, their eyes aren't moving at a certain rate, or their inner ear isn't working the way it's supposed to, and we can create protocols that allow those two things to align. And when that happens, the dizziness goes away, the headaches goes away. It's feeling pretty good.
For Dallastown High School football player Tristan Strine, the concussion came during football practice, and at first, he thought it would pass.
3 or 4 weeks after it happened, I still had symptoms, and like every day when I got home from school, like I couldn't stay awake, and really I just felt terrible in class.
His mom says urgent care recommended rest, and as the weeks went on, something still wasn't right.
It was almost like someone turned the volume down on his personality. My son just wasn't the same.
Dr. Adam Harcourt says brain injuries can be challenging for normal physicians to diagnose and treat because scans like CTs and MRIs often look normal, even when patients are still struggling. Plus, every injury is different.
We don't have a solution that is one size fits all for concussion, but we have a framework in which to evaluate the concussion patients, and then based on that evaluation, now we can prescribe customized treatment plans. Relax, we're just going to lift your head up, turn you back and forth.
After several treatments and an intensive week-long therapy program, Tristan says he finally started feeling like himself again.
It was after that week that I felt amazing. Like, I felt like I had come back, because I really wasn't myself for months.
Yeah, the second day, I couldn't believe it. I was like, holy smokes, my kid's back.
His family hopes sharing their story encourages others not to ignore lingering concussion symptoms and to know there are treatment options available.
It is so scary. We get this one brain, and this is not a dress rehearsal.
Okay, and now look at my nose.
Dr. Harcourt says there's still much to learn about concussion care, and he hopes new technology and more research will help more doctors identify the right treatments sooner so more patients can get back to doing what they love. For Tristan, that's football, which starts back up soon, and he says he'll be ready. If you're interested in finding out more about the Harcourt Brain Center in York, I've put a link on our website, fox43.com. With your Health Smart Report, Amy Lutz, Fox 43 News.